Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I will be showing how to download and install TradingView app. First, go to your App Store and Play Store and search for TradingView. When you find it, tap on Install. After that, wait until the app gets downloaded, which will take a few minutes. Let me tell you something about TradingView. TradingView is a platform where you can review stocks, forex, and cryptocurrency. It is an excellent application that allows you to share your ideas and also learn predictions and ideas from other traders. If you are in trading, this app is definitely for you. Once the application is downloaded and installed, tap on Open button to launch TradingView app on your mobile phone. Allow necessary permissions for the application and then get started. Follow these steps for the sign up of a new account or log into your existing account. And this is how you download and install TradingView app. Make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell of this channel so that you never miss an upcoming videos. Thank you.